Hi. In this class, I'm going to give you a basic introduction to networking. If you already know about switches and routers and network topology, you just can skip this video and move ahead for the next video. But if you're new to the networking domain, then I'm going to give you a quick overview here. I have most of the devices in this design and will explain everything bit by bit. So, let's say that we have an office in Delhi for our company. In that office, I am going to have end devices like PCs, a server, a printer, etc., and they need to be able to talk with each other. So for that, I need a device called switch to connect these devices in the network and for the connections, and I need some Ethernet cables or fiber cables. You can see, there is a Cisco switch, it has a lot of ports in there, which means you can connect lots of devices. The switch only allows connectivity within the local area network, LAN. I mean whatever device you connect on the switch, it will be part of the LAN. Now, let's say, your partner will be coming to this office and asking for wireless access to connect his laptop. It means you need a wireless device. I am talking about access point. Yes, because wireless access point device which helps users to connect into the networking without cable. Remember, this access point is also going to be connected to our switch. I have built a local area network. A local area network is a network that connects devices which are in the same local area. So I have got all my devices in my office now, and they all can communicate with each other without any issue. However, the users cannot access the internet because you haven't designed such a network yet. So for that you need a router. A router is able to make advanced routing decisions to route traffic between different areas of your network. That is why it's called a router. Typically a router has less physical ports on there, and it will support different types of ports so that it can connect different types of networks as well. We have enough time to know more about routers and switches. Hence do not worry. Now a user sitting in the Delhi office can talk with other users of the same office and also can access the internet. Great, you have done a great job. Now chances are very high your network can be hacked by an attacker sitting somewhere on the internet. To protect the network we need a security guard. It's completely similar to a watchman who protects your area from unwanted people. Generally a watchman's job is to check the identity of the person. If a person is genuine, then he allows him to enter, otherwise refuses him. Similarly, we need a security appliance or security device that can protect our LAN network from the attackers. So we're going to put a firewall in place. Just keep in mind, based on the requirement, we always pick the right device. The firewall secures the different parts of our network from each other. This is a very basic network, and there are a lot more devices that can be part of the network. However, to set up a small office network, these devices are enough to run the office like school, colleges, cyber cafe, etc. Let's say we also have an office in Bangalore as well. In Bangalore, we're going to have a similar kind of setup, the same kind of devices in there. Now, because we're the same company, I want to have connectivity between my Delhi and Bangalore offices. I want the end hosts in both the offices to be able to communicate with each other. To make this happen, they could communicate securely over the internet, but I need to set up both the sites in a way so that they can talk to each other. However, another way of doing this, I could put in a dedicated connection between my two routers in both sites, which is possible with the help of a service provider. This particular design is called wide area network because we are going to connect two different geolocations. With the basic aspects, we have successfully deployed local and wide area networks. I hope you understand what networking is.